Looking to earn money from Binance without risking your own funds or trading? You are in the right place. Binance, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency platforms, offers several opportunities to earn income without making an initial investment or engaging in trading activities. Whether you are a beginner or just want to explore passive earning options, these methods can help you get started. Here are 10 ways to earn on Binance without investing or trading. 1. Binance Learn and Earn. Complete educational quizzes for crypto rewards. 2. Referral program. Invite friends and earn commissions from their activity. 3. Binance affiliate program. Promote Binance and earn higher commissions. 4. Staking airdrops. Participate in staking promotions for free tokens. 5. Binance Launch Pool. Stake supported assets to farm new tokens. 6. Community contests. Join official contests for prizes. 7. Bug Bounty Program. Report security bugs for rewards. 8. Social media giveaways. Participate in Binance's online giveaways. 9. Binance NFT drops. Claim free non-fungible tokens during special events. 10. Feedback surveys. Complete surveys for occasional rewards. For more tips and strategies on earning online, make sure to subscribe to the Wealthy Up channel and stay updated with the latest opportunities.